Hey everybody, it's Dr. L, and this tutorial is going to cover the basics of how to do mastery training. So when you first open the mastery training from a chapter that you haven't begun before, you'll come to this window, and basically what this is asking you is how long do you want this particular session to last? So to learn all the concepts for any chapter, you're going to have to do multiple sessions of mastery training. And one of the ways that it's asking you how you want to break it up is it's asking you how many concepts you want to learn for a particular session. So you'll choose whichever one you want, and then you'll click Start Learning. The other things I want to direct your attention to are these two things. So if you click Help, you'll learn a bunch of information about the stuff that kind of goes into the mastery training. And also there's this settings option. And I know that some people prefer to use keyboards versus their mice. So here are keyboard shortcuts and also some settings for the audio. So now let's see what it would look like after you've completed some of your training and you're going back in to continue doing mastery training for a chapter that you've already done mastery training in. So you'll land in a screen that looks like this. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is that you can change the contrast settings. So you can have it be a darker contrast or a lighter contrast. You can see that there are multiple levels here. In this class, I want you to get to level 1 for all the concepts for each chapter. And you can see down here, the assigned goal is to get all memories to level 1 and what percentage of my memories are at level 1. Over here, if you hover over one of the dots, you can see the concepts that you've learned. And if these concepts drop into this needs review category, then you know that you're going to have to refresh those concepts. And this little countdown timer down here gives you an idea of how long until you need to be reviewing things. So this is a really great place to go before exams because you can make sure that all of your memories are in the good for now category instead of the needs review category. So that's about it. I know that it might not make a whole lot of sense right now, but that's mostly because you've been watching me click around in here, and I think it will probably make the most sense if you just go ahead and get started.